Garlic. It's a kitchen staple, but did you know it can work wonders for your skin, hair, and even your weight loss journey? From fighting acne and boosting hair growth to helping you shed those extra pounds, garlic has some incredible benefits that may surprise you. Let's dive in and discover how this powerful ingredient can enhance your beauty routine and support your health goals. Let's start with skin. Garlic is packed with powerful compounds that can help improve your complexion and fight skin issues. Garlic's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties are a natural solution for combating acne. It fights the bacteria that cause breakouts while reducing redness and swelling, making it an effective remedy for clearer skin. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which protect your skin from free radicals, the harmful molecules that cause premature aging. This can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, keeping your skin looking youthful and fresh. Some studies suggest that garlic may also help lighten skin tone and reduce pigmentation. Its natural compounds can help brighten your complexion over time, similar to niacinamide and vitamin C that you can find in skincare. Here's a simple garlic face mask that helps with acne, aging, and pigmentation. Mix some crushed garlic cloves with honey and plain yogurt. Apply onto your face and there you have it, a simple and natural face mask to glow your skin. The best thing is, it is cheap and readily available in your kitchen. Garlic isn't just good for your skin. It can also transform your hair. Whether you're dealing with hair loss or just want stronger, shinier locks, garlic has something to offer. Garlic can also stimulate hair follicles, encouraging them to grow stronger and healthier. The sulfur compounds in garlic, like keratin, play a vital role in supporting hair growth. The sulfur in garlic also helps strengthen hair roots, preventing breakage and reducing hair fall. This means you can enjoy fuller, healthier hair with regular use. Not only does garlic promote hair growth, but it can also improve hair texture and add a natural shine, giving your hair a healthy, glossy look. Here's a quick garlic hair oil recipe to help you get started. Mix crushed garlic with coconut oil and heat it up for a bit. Strain and use it when it cools down. Just remember to not leave it overnight if you have oily hair and shampoo afterwards. It will help make your hair more smooth and manageable. Now, let's talk about how garlic can support your weight loss journey. Garlic is not just a flavorful addition to meals, it can also help you burn fat and control cravings. Garlic can help boost your metabolism, which means your body burns more calories even when you're resting. This can make a big difference when you're trying to lose weight. Garlic may also help suppress appetite by affecting hunger-regulating hormones. This can help reduce overeating and calorie intake, supporting your weight management goals. Garlic can also help lower cholesterol levels, which not only benefits your heart health but can also contribute to weight management. When cholesterol is under control, your body can function more efficiently in burning fat. Try starting your day with this simple detox drink to boost metabolism and aid digestion. Mix minced garlic with lemon and warm water. Drink in on an empty stomach in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Some people cannot drink detox water first thing in the morning, so check out which side you are on. Who knew garlic could be such a powerful ally for your skin, hair, and weight loss? Whether you're fighting acne, looking to boost hair growth, or trying to slim down, garlic has the potential to make a big difference. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and easy to use. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more health and beauty tips. As always, stay healthy and informed.